think we're familiar with STEM, the acronym for science, technology, engineering, and math. Well, it's now been changed to STEAM. Education advocates have added an A for art. Some say it's in hopes of closing the gender gap. Will it be enough is the question.
Well, in tonight's Insight Report, we take a look at what Utah's doing to encourage more girls to pursue careers in math and science fields.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is the end result of a lot of trial and error.
I guess we have to decide which side of the line we want to do it on.
These teens learn to code their robots to follow the squiggly black line.
You're going to tell it, if the left side is white, then turn right. If the right side is white, turn left.
If they're both black, then it goes. But things are not so black and white for some of these girls who are trying to break stereotypes.
In my engineering class, there was like 4 girls and like 20 guys, and the teacher like segregated us onto our own row. It kind of made me feel separate.
There's a constant reminder of, oh, you're not going to have that same female interaction. The truth is that wall is starting to be broken down, but it's still there.
But not here. This is the 3rd annual iHeart Tech Conference held at Adobe and co-hosted by Microsoft and Workfront. 250 students from across Utah and Salt Lake County attended, about half girls. All eagerly participated in an afternoon of workshops, including 3D printing, space simulation, coding, and creative design.
One of the things we're really excited about here at Adobe is the fact that we're seeing more and more girls coming to these kinds of events.
But Sherman says Utah schools aren't doing enough to keep this trend moving forward.
We're saying, hey, let's help and put on events like this to give kids a venue to come and learn about STEAM because we need our schools to do more.
I am making a picture a picture made of code.
The Women Tech Council is also doing its part, sponsoring an hour of code for students on this day. Students created a digital art tile, which they combined with tiles from across the nation.
When you think about how do we get students into sciences, right, there are many steps along the way. So we view the hour of code as that very beginning activation step where we get you inspired to understand that you can create.
It's not just math on a page, it's actually this physical device that's following the rules. It's fun to see the light bulb sort of turns on.
That creativity seems to be key for these girls.
We've got our first winners.
Who are winning and have big goals. They won't let anything stand in their way.
Yeah, I think it's the problem-solving aspect that I really like.
I just love anything that has to do with computers, electricity, and moves.
Now, according to the Computing Research Association, more than 84% of undergraduates who major in computer science are men. 84%. So those girls are going to be doing what they can to change that.